Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to delete your watched Reels history on Facebook. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Next, tap the menu icon in the top right corner or bottom right on some devices. Tap Settings and Privacy, then select Settings. Scroll down and tap Activity Log. Under your Facebook activity, tap Manage Posts, then select See More. Next, tap Videos you've watched. At the top of the screen, tap Clear Video Watch History. Confirm by tapping Clear. Facebook will begin removing your watched videos and Reels history. If you have a long watch history, it may take a little time to finish. And that's it. You've successfully cleared your watched Reels history on Facebook. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Facebook tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.